Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, multiple identical options in switch statements. If the break statement is omitted from a switch statement's case, the following case statements are executed until a break is encountered. If you have multiple inputs with the same output, you can represent them in switch statement like this. So, if we have multiple inputs and the same output, then it will be represented like shown in the example, where for case 1 to case 2, case 3, there is no break, and in all three cases, we will execute this statement and then perform a break. Cases for 1, 2, and 3 will all produce the same result. So let's see the task for this challenge. Write a switch statement to set answer for the following ranges: 1 to 3 low, 4 to 6 mid, and 7 to 9 high. So let's do that. Switch val, and we will use case 1, case 2, case 3. In all three cases, answer will be low, and we will use break here. In case 4, case 5, case 6, the answer will be mid. And in case 7, case 8, and case 9, I left break here, so it should be given, and in this case answer equal to high. And we could, or we can't, and this break is optional because there are no further cases, but still I am giving that. So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.